Lust is not just a feeling, it's a prison, a silent addiction that steals your focus, your confidence, your identity. Somewhere inside you, you know you were built for more, but every time you slip, it feels like you lose a piece of yourself. And that guilt, that shame, it numbs your potential. But here's the truth no one tells you. You don't beat lust by fighting the urge. You beat lust by rebuilding the man who doesn't need it anymore. Every time you say no, you're not resisting pleasure. You're taking back control. Your mind becomes sharper. Your discipline becomes iron. Your presence changes. People feel it. You feel it. Lust is strongest when you're empty. So fill your life with purpose. Create goals that scare you. Build a body you're proud of. Surround yourself with people who force you to level up. Because when your life becomes meaningful, dopamine scrolls lose their power. Remember this, lust does not break strong men. Strong men are built because they rise above it. Your future self is waiting, not for you to be perfect, but for you to choose the next right decision. Starting today, beat lust, build discipline, become unstoppable.